There are items that you shouldn't lose while traveling, items that are annoying to pack but needed, and items that are precious and you want to keep safe. Passport Suitcase. Intelligent design for an intelligent you. In Passport Suitcase, each essential gets its own dedicated spot and arranged precisely in order. You can easily reach in and grab anything without searching. The Passport was designed to provide smart solutions for travelers, like the double zipper locking mechanism and extra structural protection, 30 degrees for quick access or 180 degrees for ease of packing. Going through security checkpoints has never been easier. In the Passport Suitcase, all your gadgets can be neatly packed in the front compartment's 7 unique pockets. It keeps your gadgets safe and first impressions safer. The front compartment is 100% crush-proof and made with a tough polycarbonate that is capable of withstanding the harshest of travel conditions. Passport Suitcase. Pack efficiently and travel with a peace of mind.
Ready? Introducing PLEVO, the world's most innovative smart luggage set, with not just one, but 3 smart products: Runner, Infinite, and Up. All seamlessly connected to you, featuring the world's first garment hanger, easy access compartments so you can breeze through airport security. With the extra space provided by the expandable body, you'll never have to leave anything behind. Sadly, broken wheels are the #1 reason people buy new luggage, but not with PLEVO. Our removable wheels ensure you'll keep on rolling forever. Smart Dashboard shows you everything that's happening with your PLEVO at a glance. Wide handles provide consistent comfort throughout your travels. And a removable battery pack ensures you never run out of juice on any of your devices. PLEVO arrived to revolutionize the outdated luggage industry and solve all the current travel hassles you face. Combining cutting-edge design, technology, and user experience in perfect harmony. That's how PLEVO developed the first Morse code lock in luggage history, in addition to Touch ID and Face ID functions. PLEVO provides the modern traveler with the ultimate experience. A built-in digital scale. Forget about paying fees for overweight luggage. PLEVO's removable battery pack is compliant with all airline regulations, so you can travel worry-free. A smart travel assistant app so you can check all your flight details. We all know that going through security checkpoints at the airport sucks, but we've made it easier than ever before by adding a removable sleeve that gives you instant access to your electronics without having to open your bag. Distance alerts let you know when your luggage is coming to you at the carousel, so you can always keep track of your belongings. Don't waste any more of your valuable time discussing with airport staff. This journey has just begun, and we want you to be a part of it. Join us by backing our campaign and starting the PLEVO revolution.